The Hyundai built-in dash camera system offers a modern, integrated way to capture driving footage and surveillance when the vehicle is parked. The system records high-resolution footage from the front and rear cameras with wide-angle views. The vehicle will come pre-equipped with a 64GB micro SD card, but the owner may opt to upgrade to a card with a memory capacity up to 512GB. To remove the micro SD card, navigate to Built-in Cam Settings. Select SD card, press the Disconnect button, and then push to remove the card from the memory card slot located in the glove box. To configure your recordings, select Built-in Cam from the Infotainment System home screen and select the Built-in Cam Settings menu. From here, you can select the type of video to record and set audio preferences, plus the information to be displayed on the video. On while driving records videos while driving. On while parked records videos when the vehicle is parked and motion is detected. Driving events records videos when an impact is detected while driving. Parked events records videos when an impact is detected while parked. Audio recording enables sound to be captured during video recordings while driving or while the vehicle is parked. You can also stamp additional information while recording a video. To do so, select the Display Information Stamps menu. Your preferences may include GPS location, time, date, and more. Velocity saves the vehicle speed displayed on the cluster. Gear saves the gear position displayed on the cluster. You also have the option to select recording sensitivity levels, as well as the duration of video recordings. It is also possible to record videos manually. Record video footage of the surroundings at any desired point in time using the manual recording button on the built-in cam shown here. Video recordings can be played back through the infotainment screen. To save or replay footage of an important event on your computer, simply remove the micro SD card and insert it into your computer using an appropriate adapter. For more information on this and many other available features, please refer to your Hyundai Owner's Manual.